Let's look at making the letter F in Morse code rhythms. So the letter F in Morse code is did-da-dit, short, short, long, short. In our rhythms, the way we will do that is with a single eighth, followed by a quarter note, and then a single eighth note. Let's see if I can pull those up. So we're going to do a single eighth note first, followed by another single eighth note. After that will be the only quarter note. And then it ends with another single eighth note. Let's see if I can pull up the one I haven't pulled up yet to get all three on the page. That one. There it is. And this is the letter F in Morse code. Did it, da, dit.